Welcome back here tonight at 6 o'clock. Well, sometime in the next few weeks, the Iowa Supreme Court is expected to rule on a big case which could bring changes to abortions here in our state.
KWWL's Emily Moss has the latest.
By the end of this month, we are expecting a ruling that could restrict abortion in Iowa. The state Supreme Court is expected to rule on a law that was signed back in 2023. It would ban abortion after fetal heart activity is detected. Soon after it was signed, the law was put on hold and has been held up in courts since. This spring, the state and Planned Parenthood presented their case to the Iowa Supreme Court. The court has until the end of the month to issue their ruling. Maggie DeWitty with Pulse Life Advocates says she's confident the court will side with the state, allowing the ban to go into effect.
We're hopeful. We feel that the Attorney General Brenna Bird and her team did a fantastic job in presenting the case, and we're hopeful that we will finally get to the point very soon here in Iowa that we will be able to enforce our heartbeat bill.
Dr. Emily Bavers is an OBGYN in Waverly. She says she's hoping the court does not allow the law to go into effect, keeping current Iowa law in place that bans abortions after 20 weeks. Dr. Bavers says no matter the ruling, she wants people to have grace for those that are impacted.
My hope, of course, is that the court does not allow the 6-week ban to go into effect, because I'm highly concerned about the effect it will have on my patients and their families and on the practice of medicine and women's healthcare in general. I also think, we should have a little bit of grace that these are real patients' lives, real families who are being affected by this.
This new law, if allowed, would ban abortions after fetal heart activity is detected, which is typically 6 to 8 weeks. A similar law signed by the governor was passed in 2018, but in a split decision with the Iowa Supreme Court in 2022, the law was not allowed to go through. In the newsroom, Emily Moss, News 7 KWWL.